Looking for the best dash cam with both front and rear cameras, plus reliable parking mode? Stick around, I've tested the top options so you don't have to. Starting off our list in the 5th spot is the Yonvim DC339CT. It's a pretty straightforward option that covers your basic needs. A front and rear dash cam with parking mode. It's not the flashiest on the list, but it's definitely a budget-friendly choice for folks who want simple and reliable coverage. The Yonvim offers a solid 2.5K resolution up front and a standard 1080p rear view, giving you decent daytime clarity. The large 3.39-inch touchscreen makes navigating the settings easy, and the discreet design helps it blend in behind your rear view mirror. If you want 24-hour parking monitoring, this one has you covered. Just remember, you'll need a hardwire kit for full functionality. Now, here's where it starts to fall behind the competition. The Yonvim lacks built-in Wi-Fi or GPS, so you won't get those helpful location tags or app controls you'll find on pricier models. Plus, the rear camera is pretty basic, and mounting it requires adhesive. Not the sturdiest option out there. Overall, this is a good pick if you're on a tight budget and just need basic front and rear coverage with simple parking mode. If you're looking for more advanced features though, keep watching. There are much better options coming up. Next up in 4th place, we've got the ROVE R2-4K Dual Dash Cam. This one steps up the game compared to the Yonvim, bringing in built-in Wi-Fi, GPS, and a more polished app experience. Definitely a nice upgrade for tech-savvy drivers. The front camera uses a high-quality Starvis 2 sensor with great daytime clarity and pretty accurate colors. You get GPS tagging and faster file transfers thanks to its 5 GHz Wi-Fi. The flexible rear camera is also a nice touch. It's removable, so you can adjust it to fit your vehicle setup. Plus, the ROVE supports over-the-air firmware updates, which helps keep things running smoothly. That said, there are still some limitations here. The advertised 4K is actually upscaled. Native resolution is closer to 2K, and frame rates are a bit limited at 25 frames per second. Night performance is a bit lacking too, especially on the rear cam. And unfortunately, parking mode only works on the front camera, so rear coverage while parked is missing. If you're after an affordable dual cam with GPS and Wi-Fi, the ROVE is a nice middle ground choice. But if you want full 24-hour protection and better low-light performance, hang tight. We've got stronger options ahead. And hey, if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful reviews. Coming in 3rd place is the REDTIGER F7N Touch, and this one is super popular for good reason. It offers a really balanced set of features for the price, making it a solid mid-range choice for anyone wanting more than just the basics. You get a 1440p front camera with Starvis 2 night vision, a noticeable upgrade for evening drives. The 3.18-inch touchscreen is bright and responsive, making it easy to adjust settings on the go. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS mean you can review footage on your phone and track routes. And the parking mode is more advanced here. It supports motion detection and time-lapse recording when hardwired. On the downside, like many budget 4K cams, the front resolution is upscaled, so 1440p actually looks better than using the 4K setting. The rear camera also struggles at night. License plates can get blurry, and the suction cup mount isn't as stable as adhesive or bracket types, which can be annoying on bumpy roads. If you want great features for the money, solid video, easy app control, decent parking mode, this REDTIGER is one to seriously consider. But if you're aiming for true 4K quality or full triple channel coverage, stay tuned. In 2nd place, we've got the BOTSLAB G980H, and this one really impressed me. It's a 4-channel cam with high-quality 4K front video, giving you crystal clear daytime and nighttime footage. Compared to the earlier cams, this is a serious jump in image clarity and coverage. The BOTSLAB uses a premium Sony sensor with a wide 170-degree view, and the f1.5 lens handles low light beautifully. The rear cam is optimized for 2K, so your back window is covered too. You get a full 24/7 parking mode with collision detection, but you will need to hardwire it. Plus, dual band Wi-Fi and GPS are built in, so transferring footage is quick and you can easily track your driving history. It's not perfect though. The rear camera isn't quite as sharp as the front, and the ADA AAS alerts can be a bit too sensitive at times. The companion app also feels a little glitchy, something BOTSLAB could definitely improve. Overall though, this dash cam is a fantastic choice for drivers who want premium image quality, full parking protection, and a feature-rich experience. And by the way, you'll find links to all of the products featured today, with the best prices I could find down in the video description. Go check them out. And in first place, taking the top spot today, is the VANTRUE ONDASH N4. If you want the most complete coverage, this is the one I recommend. It's a triple channel dash cam, meaning you get full front, rear, and interior coverage, which is perfect for rideshare drivers or anyone wanting that extra layer of security. The front camera delivers true 4K video in dual channel mode, giving you razor sharp detail. The interior cam has infrared for night use, so you can clearly capture cabin activity, and the rear cam holds up well even in challenging lighting. Parking protection is excellent too, with multiple modes: motion detection, collision, time lapse, and the supercapacitor build ensures it performs in extreme heat or cold. Now, a couple of trade-offs: when running all three cameras, front resolution drops to 1440p, still sharp but not quite 4K. There's also no built-in Wi-Fi here, so transferring files is a little old school unless you use the optional GPS mount. But if you're after the best overall protection, with coverage from every angle, it's hard to beat the VANTRUE N4. This is a pro-level setup that gives you peace of mind whether you're parked or on the road. So there you have it, my top picks for the best front and rear dash cams with parking mode. Don't forget to check out the top products down in the description for the latest deals. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.